Hello! In this video, I'll show you how to set up coupon sync and automatic affiliate commissions using MemberPress and AffiliatePress. To sync MemberPress with AffiliatePress, first you need to enable the MemberPress integration. Go to the AffiliatePress settings page. Now, open the Integrations tab. This is the AffiliatePress integrations page. Enable the MemberPress integration and save the changes. Changes saved successfully. Now, go to the MemberPress coupons page. This is the MemberPress coupons page. Now, let's create a new coupon to sync MemberPress with AffiliatePress. Enter the coupon name and configure the coupon options according to your requirements. Now, select the plan in which this coupon code can be used. After that, we will look at the AffiliatePress coupon settings section. Here, you can search for AffiliatePress affiliate users and assign this coupon code to the selected affiliate user. Now save this coupon. The coupon has been saved successfully. Now go to the AffiliatePress coupons page. This is the AffiliatePress Manage Coupons page. Here, you can see the synced coupon list and also create new coupons. Here, you can see the newly added MemberPress coupon record. If you do not want to select an affiliate user directly in MemberPress, you can also assign the coupon from here. Now, click the Add New button. This is the AffiliatePress Add Coupon tab. Select the affiliate user, source, coupon status, and coupon. After that, select the affiliate user and click Save. We are not saving it right now because this coupon code has already been used for another affiliate user. Now, go to the Frontend MemberPress Plan Purchase page. This is the MemberPress Plan Purchase page. Now, click the Sign Up button for the plan you want to purchase. This is the Checkout page. Enter the coupon code here to get your discount. See, the coupon code has been applied successfully, and the discount amount has also been deducted from the price. This is the Purchase Details section. Enter all the required purchase details here. After that, select the payment method and click the Sign Up button. As you can see, the plan has been purchased successfully. Now, go to the Backend Commission page. This is the AffiliatePress Commission page. Here, you can see all commission-related records. See, the first record is the newly added commission, and as you can see, the source is MemberPress. That's it. This is how coupon synchronization works between AffiliatePress and MemberPress.
Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.